What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will explain end-to-end encryption or E2EE in Facebook Messenger. Understanding end-to-end encryption is crucial for protecting your messages and calls from unauthorized access. With E2EE, only you and the intended recipient can read your conversations, enhancing your privacy and security. E2E encryption ensures that messages are encrypted on your device before they are sent. Only the recipient's device can decrypt these messages as well. When you send a message, it is scrambled into a coded format. The recipient's device receives the coded message and uses a unique key to decipher it back into readable format. Even if someone intercepts the message during transmission, they cannot read it without the decryption key. Facebook itself cannot access the content of your messages when E2EE is enabled. In December 2023, Facebook announced the rollout of default end-to-end encryption for personal messages on Messenger. This means that all new conversations will be encrypted by default, providing an extra layer of security for your messages. The rollout is expected to be completed globally over the coming months. End-to-end encryption on Messenger ensures that your personal conversations remain private and secure, with only you and the intended recipient able to access the content. This added layer of security provides an extra safeguard against unauthorized access, making your online communications more trustworthy and confidential. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.